Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Am I ready for this? I think so. Hello, hello, hello! Welcome in, Hawkeye and Mr. Yellow Owl and Arnold Gumby! Oh my god, you are right on time. You weren't kidding. How's it going? Ma'am! Ma'am! I'm not a ma'am. Okay, fine, I'm a ma'am. But, yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I feel like I'm ready to go today. I feel like today is gonna be a good day. I don't know why. Let's just hope that I'm not delusional about that. But I hope you're good. Yeah, I am good. I'm like ready to study. Let's like learn some shit. Are you ready? Are you guys ready? You're gonna learn some shit with me, okay? Let's get it? Yeah, let's get it. But Arno Gumby, yeah, by the way, we do have to start with Golang, so we'll get to the hacking, but I gotta do a little bit of Golang as much as possible every day, if possible. I hope you're good too, Horkrine. I hope everybody's good. Betty's good. Betty's here. You can kind of see her. That's her butt right there. Big old booty. Oh, she wants to come up, I think. Betty, come say hello. These are your people. No worries at all about learning as much as you can to stay ahead of the curve. Yeah, I don't know that I'll ever be ahead of the curve, but if I can be just on the curve, that would be great. Look at that face. Look at that face. That's a good face right there. That's a pretty good face. You got a nice face, Betty. You got clipped twice in the past, like, week. Twice. Because of how cute you are. You will get there, it just takes time. Yeah. I'm hoping so. I think I need to, at some point, figure out a way to stream more and study more. I need to get more hours in. I just haven't figured out that balance yet, but I think some like life stuff will like become a little bit more out of the way in like the spring, and then I think that's when I'll probably be able to step it up a little bit, but we'll see. I'm trying to get in a little bit more hours here and there. Alright, let's see if let me make sure I have everything set up right. Okay. I might need to like pay for Code Academy soon. I don't know. Okay, so I'm not gonna do the THM advent calendar because I'm not 100% sure that I can stream it. I know people were asking about that, but I think I would have to pay for it, I'm pretty sure. I think I have to pay for the lab time, which isn't a big deal because there is money, like, you know, from subs and stuff that I could use. But, I don't think I can stream the advent calendar stuff. THM is free. It's free for like 2 hours or something. You only get like a certain amount of time. You get like one... I forget what it is, but it runs out pretty quick. The advent? Oh. Just use the VPN like Hackerbox? Oh, okay. Okay, let's check it out when we finish up with Golang then. I didn't understand that it was free. Just use the VPN like Hack the Box. Oh, hello there, fam jams. Oh my god, what streak are you on? 26 or something? That's crazy. $26, hell yeah. Alright, so let me transition. Ooh, Ashes of Owls, we're getting a raid. Ashes of Owls, hello, welcome in. What is up? Alright, let's take a moment to say hello to the raiders and Ashes. What were you doing? What were you up to? Let's see what you're about. Let me give you a follow. Ashes of Owls.
Thinking about how they get to make customers pay for inflation. So
oh, you watch Hassan Abi? I like Hassan Abi. What's up? What's up? Hi, just chipping away at my project. Hope all is well here. Yeah, we're just getting started. I just started stream, so I was about to transition, but let me say hello to all you lovely raiders. So basically, what I'm about, if you don't mind telling me a little bit about what you're about, because I don't think you have much information. Oh, here it is. Software engineer for 13 years with a specialty front-end web development. Currently creating a website called React.tv, a place where to watch dynamic media content with your friends. Cool. Oh, that's fun. So it's like a watch party kind of app thing. Very cool. Yeah, I have Hassan on my TV for half the day. Yeah, he's pretty good. You can stream the main part of Advent of Cyber, but the side quests have to be done off stream. Okay, gotcha. Alright, well, let's check it out when we get there. But, yeah, so for the raiders, what I'm all about is I am actually juggling like 3 different subjects for stream right now. I'm doing, I'm learning InfoSec cybersecurity stuff. That's like the main thing. And then I've started to learn some Golang, because I don't know any programming languages, so that'll be my first language. I just started a couple weeks ago, so I'm total noob. I'm pretty noobish at hacking too. And then we also, I run a Minecraft server, and on the weekends we play on that. So if any of those things are of interest, consider a follow. Thank you for that was my TED Talk of the day. But yeah, let's get transitional. I hope you had a good stream. Shout out. Oh, I gotta give you a shout out. I always forget about the shout out. Sorry. I'm like ready to go today, but I also just started, so I'm kind of a little bit all over the place. Shout out. Ashes of Owls. What a name. Very cool. Alright. Again, thank you for the raid and welcome in. Was it set up? Yeah, there we go. Alright, so we finished the fundamentals yesterday, but I feel like I still have no idea what scan is. Oh, let me give out my notes. Yeah, so I basically just learn a bunch of crap live. And it's kind of a shit show at times, but we get some stuff done eventually. We learn as we go. A lot of people are super helpful in chat, and I feel like a lot of people learn from other people in my stream, which is really fun. What am I looking for? I'm looking for Golang notes. So yeah, let me refresh my memory on what the hell allows us to take user input. Still not totally sure how to use these sprint variables, functions yet, but we'll get there. Wait. Yeah, we call these functions, right? Yeah. Okay, can you see my notes? I didn't check. Oh yeah, you can. Hello, l8r? l8r? Hello. Welcome in. Programming community on Twitch is the best. So many awesome people. I know, it really is. I'm like so happy with like the community that we've been able to build, and everybody else like has their own little community, but there's a lot of crossover, and like I don't know, it's just all really good vibes. I really haven't come across anybody that's like really negative or unhelpful, you know, or demeaning, really. My stream went well. I've been trying to do a lot of design changes to the site and wound up on some good stuff that I might implement soon. Nice! Sounds like you're getting there. But design is always... Design is always a pain because it never feels perfect. That's so true. It's so true. It never feels like it's perfect or done. Like, totally done, you know? We love a shit show. Yeah. Oh, no. Not goo. Who no, not goo? What? What? I don't know what that means, but hello. I've been thinking... Hi, Whitestone. Learn a little at a time, a decade in my field, and still learning something new every day. Yeah, that's what makes it fun, but also very intimidating, is we're always learning, and there's always more stuff to learn, no matter what. So, keeps things interesting, but also it's a little intimidating. A streamer I usually watch tried to explain me Golang. Well, this is my first language, and I'm about 2 weeks in, 2.5 weeks in, I think. So I have no idea what I'm doing still. And I've only been doing like a little bit of practice before I do my hacking studies, but, we're getting there. We're just using Code Academy right now. The free stuff on Code Academy. Oh no, not Go. Oh! Oh no, not Go. Okay, gotcha. Now I see it. Yeah, some people love it, some people hate it. Been in the industry for a decade, the more I learn, the more I realize I don't know. Exactly. That's like just life though, too, also. Has she hacked the Gibson yet? Almost. We're so close, Kinslayer. So close. Stick around. No, go, aka Golang. All the Gibsons. Yes, exactly. +1 for using all the tools. Hi, Theld of Allen. Alright, so let's see what's next. So we finished this, now we gotta do the conditionals. I'm scared, because I feel like I really don't have a good grasp on the fundamentals. I feel like I need to do another project, but I ran out of projects, free projects, so I think I'm gonna have to pay for it, but let's just see. Completed. What's next? Okay, so you just spent all that time learning something new, so you don't want to lose it. Consistent practice is the best way to ensure that you keep your knowledge fresh in your mind, even if it's just a quick 5-minute review session. The review session is better than nothing. Keep using the practice packs that are linked in your syllabus to review concepts and syntax. Where is that? Practice packs. If you're looking for other opportunities to practice through tutorials or projects that you find elsewhere on the internet but aren't sure where to start, watch our video how to practice outside of Code Academy. Okay. I gotta watch that on my own time. I won't make you guys watch that, especially because my VM keeps like messing up the videos. Conditionals are easy enough, you'll see. Okay, cool. Long time no see. Yes, hello, Mr. Happy Hippo. Welcome back. How are you doing? Alright, let me duplicate this tab, and I'm gonna go back to that after stream. So yeah, I don't know how much, like, I can really do yet with what I know. Like, I can't think of any projects. Oh, 60% off a year. I wonder how much a year is. Let's just check. Let's just see how much it is. I'm curious. Good, hope you too. Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. I'm like, oh my god. It's normally $40 a month? Wait, what? It's still... Oh, it's only 90... Oh, no, that's... Oh, that's with the annual plan. Okay, wait, what? It's $100. Alright, well, we'll think about that. Probably not, but we'll think about it. I don't know if it's worth it yet or not, you know? Let's see if we run into a paywall. How do I get to the conditionals? Golang. We haven't done this yet, right? I don't know. $240-ish for a year, not the worst I've ever seen. Yeah, I mean, but it's still like a lot of money up front. It's saying it's only $95 for this week, so I'm gonna consider it, but I just don't know if we need it yet or not. I could use stream money. I think we did this. Did we do this? I can't tell. Mr. Happy Hippo, where have you been? I don't know. Working? Yeah, I know how it goes. I go through like phases where I'm on the internet like a lot, or on Twitch a lot, and then not on Twitch a lot. But now that I stream, I feel like I don't get to watch as much. Cause like, I'm streaming instead of watching? I don't know. Boot.dev is $261 with their 25% off deal. It's not bad. Oh, okay. I'm French, by the way. Hi, Zalder. Oh, wait, I already said hello to you. I'm by the way, not sure I'll fully understand what you'll say. That's okay. I'll just, make hand gestures and stuff. Is this helping? I don't know. I don't remember learning about interfaces, but I'm pretty sure we did the rest of this. Whatever, let's just do it, and if it's the same thing that we already did, then we'll just... I don't know. I think the next step is... Wait, no, never mind. I need to go back. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. I need to go... I need learn... What was it? Learn Go conditionals? There we go. Okay, it is free, so we're good. Learn how to implement decision-making ability in your programs with Go conditionals. Yes, that's what we want. Hello, A Monkey Man. That's okay for now, I just don't know the Golang world. Well, neither do I, so we can learn together. You liked my hand gesture? Sorry, I don't even know. I used to talk with my hands all the time, but then I kind of like trained myself to stop doing it because people would get so distracted by my hands. But I like it when people talk with their hands. I feel like it like conveys more meaning. Like it is easier to understand what you're someone's saying. Have to write a lot of code and it's complicated. Oh, I wish I could stay long here, but I have to go to sleep tomorrow, work again, and I have to work on a big project. No problem. I'm glad that you made it in for a little bit. It's good to see you. Deadline is next year, January. Ooh, okay. So it's coming up, I guess. And you gotta kind of make up for the time during the holidays that you're gonna lose, I guess. Not sure your hands will help. No problem. A lot of work, yeah. Hello, Absashovi. Hello. How are you? I hope it will work. I hope it will work too. I wish you the best. In December? We are in December. Alright, we make conditionals every day based on certain conditions. Is the alarm ringing? If so, then turn it off. Is it raining? If so, bring an umbrella. Is the ice cream truck parked outside? If so, it's time for a treat. We can also implement this decision-making ability in our programs using conditionals. Conditionals check on values, and depending on their status, if the values turn out to be true or false, executes an appropriate block of code in response. Don't you call that like Boolean or something? If in this lesson we'll cover, are conditionals different than like Boolean or something? Logical gateways. Good night. Yes, good night, Happy Hippo. See you next time. Boolean is only true and false. Oh, I thought that's what it was saying it was. In this lesson we'll cover, I'm just getting ahead of myself, I'll calm down. If, else, if, and else statements, comparison operators, logical operators, the switch statement, short declarations in conditionals, and how to use conditionals and randomized conditions. If you're ready, go to the next exercise. Else, come back when you're ready. Cute. Okay, so the gopher's trying to decide to go to the wheel or the bed. So if it's nighttime, then go to the bed. If it's daytime, then go to the wheel. Something like that, right? Hi, Rig! I'm good. So uni classes are a job. Wait. What I missed? Boolean is only true or false. Conditionals include equal, greater than, less than, etc. Okay. I'm good, got no uni classes or job tomorrow and next day, so I can stay till late night with you guys. Hell yeah, it's a party! We got Absashovi here all night long. Woo-hoo. It's checking how things compare. Oh, okay. Hi, chat. Hello. Did I tell you that girl was arguing with her boyfriend? No. Give us the hot goss. Tell us the deets. Tell us your drama. Same will wake up at 11 a.m. Wait, how do you even know that she's arguing with her boyfriend? She's going to you about arguing with her boyfriend? Good to know, fellow European here. Yeah, they're French. I think there's a few Europeans in here. I think like half my chat is usually European. What if we're hungry? What if it's raining? If the alarm's ringing? We would do something in response to those conditions. If statements work very similar to our own decision-making process. Let's look at Go's if statement. So alarm ringing equals true is set to true, and then so if alarm ringing, FMT print ln turn off the alarm. Okay, so we're just like adding in the if before the function. So you do if, and then the variable, and then... Well, is this a variable, then? And then the variable acts as like a function, kind of? Because... Alright, I don't know. I'm a little confused, but here we go. In our example, we have a variable alarm ringing that has a value of true. So that's a variable. Then when we have an if statement, that checks if the condition next to the if keyword is true. Then we have an opening curly brace with code inside followed by a closing curly brace. Sly is coding, let's go. Hi, Shy Hat. Yeah, she basically told me that she is considering breaking up because of his bad manners. Ooh, Absashovi. It might be your time. I mean, all you can do is like you can't tell her to break up. Don't like tell her to break up with him. That's my best advice for that. Just like let it happen, you know? It'll happen, I'm sure. If she's like not about it and they're long distance and stuff, I don't know. Then we have an opening curly brace with code inside followed by a closing curly brace. If the condition is true, then the code in between the curly braces is executed. In this case, turn off the alarm is printed to the console. In our if statement, we could have provided parentheses like so. Okay, but that's optional? What do the curly braces do? I mean, the regular parentheses do. It looks exactly the same otherwise. The parentheses are optional and can make it easier to read, but typically we'll see the if statement written without parentheses. Oh, it's just to make it easier to read. Okay. Well, then I guess we'll include them. Wish that have you checked out the advent of cyber? No, we're gonna do that after Golang. I'm confused as to like what's streamable about it and what's not. Do you know, Shy? Have you been streaming it? Like, because apparently somebody came in and said that you can't stream the answers, which I feel like that makes it completely unstreamable. Wish them the best of luck and do a ritual with candles and robes. Yeah, exactly. No, I'm Polish, but our countries have a shared history. Oh, you're talking to them. Sorry. I streamed day 1 yesterday, but you can't do the bonus side quest content. Okay. So that's okay. So it's just the bonus. It's just the side quest stuff that we can't do. You can stream the normal room, but not side rooms. Okay. All right. Well, then we'll definitely check it out. We'll at least attempt. We'll at least attempt it. Okay. I don't know if I'm capable. I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. I'll just flail about like I normally do. Until something makes sense a little bit. In main Go, we have a heist ready variable with a value of true. Inside the main function, add an if statement that checks heist ready, and if it's true, print the string let's go. Okay, so if heist ready, and then we'll put the parentheses just because we like it to be readable. We already have curly brackets though. Can you put curly brackets inside of curly brackets? Let me see how it looked up here. Yeah, I guess we can put curly brackets inside of curly brackets. Have you done the... It walks you through it as you read, so it's super easy if you follow the text. Oh, okay. You mean the Advent of Calendar? I mean the Advent calendar of Cyber? They come with videos if you struggle, but I don't think you'll need them. Okay. You guys say it's easy, but watch me just struggle. So the correct formatting would be to do this way. Okay, so FMT. This is really easy. Okay, I should not be doing... I'm sorry, I'm like being so slow, but that's okay. That's it, right? I don't know where this curly brace goes. That's the only thing. Wait. Does it go there? I don't know. Command not found? Nah, you're smarter than me. Yeah, right. I thought Go and Erlang were languages to keep the feds off of you. I've never heard that, but if the feds will stay off of me, that's great. That's just a bonus. Hi, Cosmosis. The main content for Advent of Cyber is very hand-holdy, so it shouldn't be a problem. Okay, alright, well if Shy Hat thinks I can do it, maybe I can do it. Oh, by the way, I'm really bad at this. Shout out Shy Hat. If you're not already, go follow the Shy Hat. They also have like beginner-friendly content for hacking stuff. But they actually know what they're doing. They're not learning everything live like me. So if you need a little more guidance in your life, I would check out the Shy Hat for sure. I complimented her yesterday and she answered me with a voice message. That was the nicest thing that I've heard. Long pause from someone who isn't my boyfriend. Long pause. The long pause. The long pause though. Alright. Well, Absashovi. I don't know. I'm like kind of rooting for you. I don't know if that's a good thing. I don't know if I should be rooting for a breakup. But it doesn't sound like they're very happy anyways. I don't know. If you highlight it, shows open and close. Curlies are a pack animal. What? They're a pack animal, so you can have multiples? Is that what you're saying? If you highlight it, shows open and close. Okay, I did notice that. Hey, hey, hey. The purple aren't needed. Oh, okay. Alright, so let's take that out. Maybe that'll fix it? Oh, it doesn't like that either. Oh, that's cool. I hope you enjoyed your stay. Oh, that's not for me. Dang, the long pause. I'd stay a mile away from her at the moment if I was him. Why would you stay a mile away from her? Knew that he likes her. Knew that it's quite popular destination for tourists. I'm not saying for him to make a move. I don't think it's time to make a move or do anything. I'm just saying if he likes her, then like, I don't know, not to get his hopes up or anything, but like, I feel like maybe he has a chance, but like also I'm encouraging him to not make a move prematurely. Knew that it's quite popular destination for tourists. It sounds like there will be one sad person at the end of this either way. Yeah, it does sound like that. Here's a fun fact. Gay couples have a 2% divorce rate. Straight couples have about 6 and lesbian couples have about 13. Those percentages seem way off. I feel like isn't it like 50% of all people get divorced? Take from that what you want. This ain't no 90-day fiance, you know what I mean? What? 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 I do not know what you mean. At the end, I can get married with that guy and she will be sad and alone. Perfect, Absashovi. There you go. Problem solved. I think the if just needs to be indented under function, but okay, I'll look in 1 second. The if needs to be indented. So that needs to be indented too? I don't know. There's so many cute girls locally and all sorts meet people in your city. Damn, so many single people. It's facts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the divorce rate is way higher in general. Wouldn't recommend going after someone with a partner just in general. No, that's what I'm saying. I'm encouraging him to not make a move or get his hopes up. But if he really likes her, I don't know. I'm just saying it looks like it might be the end for them. I don't really know. I'm not giving good advice, am I? I'm trying to not give advice, really. Not in we getting married sense, but in that is a good way of looking at it. Best chat ever / chat. I can. Hi, Phil. Indeed, no one wants someone else targeting their partner, so don't do the same. Look into it, girl. Gay couples are winning. No, I've heard that before. I don't know. I've never seen it. I've never seen like the numbers. I've heard people say that like several times before, like that gay couples have the lowest divorce rate compared to like lesbian couples and straight couples. But I can't vouch for it being true. I have no idea. It seems like those percentages are really, really low. Because, I mean, like, half of everybody I know has gotten divorced. I mean, it depends on a country. Yeah, I guess it depends on the country, like, in the culture. For these Sims, stop simping, play hard to be a legend. What? Don't you need to put if in brackets? I don't think the if goes in brackets, no. Technically it is, because there's a bracket here and there's a bracket here, but yeah, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Do I have a typo? Is that it? I have like the exact same format as this, except for the brackets. It's something to do with the brackets, I guess. Did you add an if statement that checks height history? Yeah. All right, let's try adding in the brackets again and moving them. Maybe they go here? No? I think we already tried this. You mean the next line? Under the if line after print. You think I need a curly bracket here? I'm not sure what you're saying then. It is broken. Yeah. Hi, Tobacco House. Those should be parentheses. I have parentheses here. I have parentheses here and here. There's an error. It says, did you print let's go? And I did, but it's not working. I feel like I missed a lot of chat. Sorry if I missed your messages. I'm impressed they beat straight couples. Yeah, I am too. Gay couples have the lowest domestic violence. I buy that too. Would you want that to happen to you, LOL? That's what I ask myself these days. Yeah, that's true. But I mean, sometimes you don't want things to happen that are not bad for you, you know? Maybe they're not good for you, but they're not necessarily bad for you. I don't know. Betty snacks. All right, boyfriend. Let's take a minute to do Betty snacks while we figure out this supposedly easy exercise that's not working. We're not getting much done yet. Hopefully we'll pick things up in a minute. All right, Betty, you ready for some snacks? Yeah, you are. Yeah, come here. Look, I have snacks right here. Betty! Look at the floof! The floof is here. She's very excited. Oh, she dropped it. Fail, Betty, fail. Can't force a relationship. If it should happen, it will. That's what I'm trying to say. Is like if it's supposed to happen, if they do like each other and stuff, it'll happen eventually. But like I'm just saying I'm warning him to not like do anything before the time is ready, you know? That's it, Betty. It's just my fingers. She's still looking. There you go. Alright, I'll be right back. You feel it in your heart and your soul when the time is ready. Yeah. Alright, 1 second. What? What'd I miss? I feel like I missed so much. Chat is popping off. Isn't there an error in the structures? Hi, Killavilla. I mean, as in dash the error, there is not even Go code, but can't even start Go? What? Package main. What? What kind of kitty breed is that? I got ragdolls. I don't know what. She's just domestic short hair. Is like American domestic short hair is what they say at the vet. I don't know. I adopted her, so I found her, so I don't know what she is like. Cause I don't know what the breeder. I didn't have any like. I think she was bred. So. But I think she was dumped by her breeder when I found her. I think she was the leftover from the litter, even though she's perfect and beautiful. Can I ask you a personal question? You don't have to answer if you don't want to. Do you work in tech? No, I'm trying to work in tech. That's kind of the point of the stream. Get out more. If internet made you feel you needed to connect 2,000 miles away. Sheesh. Yeah, but sometimes, I don't know, sometimes that happens. There's no right or wrong way to date, I think. But, well, I guess there are wrong ways. There's just no right way either. Developers don't have time for a girlfriend. That is actually facts, though. Developers do not have time for girlfriends. Developers are worked to the bone, and you gotta have that work-life balance if you're gonna get a girlfriend. I meet people at work. I'm starting to think dating coworkers isn't the best. Oh, yeah, no. It's definitely not. definitely not the move. I don't think I've ever done it. Yeah, I've never done that, but I've seen people do it and it's never ended well. I still don't know what's wrong. Okay, image variable true. Inside the main function, add an if statement that checks. I guess let's get rid of these. Let's try to get rid of these because it didn't tell us to put parentheses there explicitly, so maybe that's it? No. Okay, well that was optional. So that wasn't it. Oh, get it, Betty. She is beautiful. I know, she's friggin' gorgeous. The right side bash command go not found. Maybe reload that page so this looks more broken than it should, I mean. Oh, okay. Do you have GitHub? I do have GitHub. You can link it in your bio and create some projects for portfolio content idea. Yeah. Alright, I need to do that. Wouldn't recommend if things get weird, they get weird at work. Yeah, exactly. And nobody wants, like, their home life to, like, be commingled with their work life. Like, that is just not a good time. Because then everything's like, it just follows you everywhere if you have a problem. Alright, let's try reloading the page, I guess. I doubt that's it, but maybe. Oh, that actually worked. So we weren't doing anything wrong. We just needed to reload the page. Okay. You're a genius. Who said that? Tabakhouse. Yeah, thank you, Tabakhouse. Once again, coming in with the rescue. Also, you could contribute to some open source projects. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm going to find a smart hacks or nerd later eventually, huh? Yeah. Best of luck. There's not a lot of not a lot of women around the hacksers. Unfortunately. Assign heist ready a value of false and see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. It's just not gonna print it, right? Yeah, okay, cool. The else statement. If we're hungry, we would go to eat something. But if we're not hungry, then we don't. The idea is that we have a backup plan or something we can default to in case our condition isn't met. We can... Oh, man. Yeah, we're running out of time for Go, so I gotta focus for the next few minutes. The idea is that we have we can provide a default option to our conditional if statement by adding an else statement. Okay, so if that is true, then do that, but then if not, then you do this. Okay, got it. In the example above, is hungry is a variable with a value of false. We've set up an if statement that if we saw in the previous exercise, like we saw in the previous exercise, immediately after the if statement's closing brace is the else keyword and its opening brace all on the same line. So you have to use a brace, okay. The else statement also contains a block of code wrapped by a set of curly braces. The code... Oh, thank you for the follow, Daver. Sorry, I gotta ignore chat just for a minute while I focus. Seems like Mercy Beku and Baguette are the only things strangers know about French. I know you want to remove the French dictionary from Linux. That's the first thing you want to do. Or something, right? What's the joke? I also know hors d'oeuvres. Yeah, hors d'oeuvres. I know sacalé bleu. Or je ne sais quoi. Or isn't armoire? Armoire is a French word. There's tons of French words in English that we use. We've set up. I already read this. Okay, so the code inside the block will execute by default if the if condition is false. Notice the else statement does not accept a condition. Add an else statement to the existing if statement. The block for the else statement prints act normal when highest ready is false. Okay. So we have to put the else here. And then another curly bracket. New line, fmt print ln. Wait, what was it? Act normal? Alright, so far we've been checking on Boolean values. I've never seen how do you say it? Amelie? 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 Yeah, I've heard it's really good. I've just never watched it. I'm not big on subtitles because I need subtitles anyways when I watch English speaking movies a lot of the times because, you know, the ADHD or the dyslexia or whatever it is. I don't know. I don't know what makes me what about me makes it so that I have to read what I already hear. What, Betty? Are you just hungry? Or are you trying to get up? Rawr. Wife wants to watch Home Alone. Y'all enjoy the holidays. Okay, alright, have a good one, Cosmosis. Thanks for coming back in. Home Alone's pretty good. It's a classic. Such a cute kitty. Cheers. Good luck with Go. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you next time, Cosmosis. Doo-doo-doo. So far, we've been checking on Boolean values, variable assigned a true or false value, but we can check more than a single value using comparison operators. Here are two commonly used comparison operators. We have equal equals and does not equal. Is equal to, is not equal to, okay. To use a comparison operator, we have two values, or operands? Operands. With a comparison operator in between the two values. The combination of values and the operator is evaluated by the Go compiler, which looks at the left value, compares it to the right value, and decides on a true or false value. Let's take a look at equal equal first. So password 1 equals password 1. That evaluates as true. Password 1 to bad pass evaluates to false. Okay. When we use comparison operators, we check the left value against the right value. It can be helpful to think of a comparison statements as questions. When the answer is yes, the statement evaluates to true, and when the answer is no, the statement evaluates to false. The code above code's first example would be asking, is password 1 the same as password 1? Yes, it is. So password 1 equals password 1. Evaluates to true. We can read the second example as, is bad pass the same as bad password? Is the bad pass the same as password 1? No. Bad pass is not the same as password 1, so it evaluates to false. Let's take a look at the exclamation point equals operator in action. Alright, I get the idea. It can be very helpful to take a second, think through how the operands are being compared before committing it to the code. Let's practice that now. Okay, so I need to add to my notes now. I need to add the structure of a... Wait, we need to go back for a second, actually. We need to go back to the else, the if and else statement. Oops. Variable. Cyborg, you should start learning Kotlin. What is Kotlin? Is that a language? I've never heard of it. Hi, Pocket. Hi, you. Oh, your name is so difficult. You are thin. Hi, Go Learner. We're almost done with Go. We're gonna take some notes and then we're gonna move on to, or we're gonna finish the lesson, finish our notes, and then we're gonna move on to hacking. If variable, brackets. Wait, but you can put parentheses here, right? Parentheses. And then you want okay, syntax with else. Where does this go? Does this go here or here? I guess it goes here. FMT. Okay. And then like that, right? Something like that. I think that's right. What else can we write in here about if-else statements? I don't know. I guess that's good enough for now. Boom, boom, boom. One of our other treasure, Claire Obscure Expedition 33. Oh, you Hearthen. All right. Let me message you. I'm gonna whisper you the details, and then I have to add you into the server. So hold on one second. Give me a sec to do this. It'll only take me a moment. Thank you for the follow, Powanoia. Secret server? Can I have root? No, it's the Minecraft server. Okay, I have to add it. Okay, you Hearthen, can you whisper me your Minecraft username back? Whisper me back your Minecraft username. Type sudo in the chat. Calling it if-else might confuse you down the line. Else if is gonna be a thing down the line. Oh. Okay. Oh well. I don't think that'll confuse me, but we'll see, I guess. Is it Java Edition? It is Java Edition. I think Bedrock can use it, but I don't know if the Geyser plugin is working. I have not tested it. I haven't had anybody test it in a minute. Hey, Zetashaw, what's up? It's going. It's going. I've only been doing it for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks or something like that. So, haven't learned too much because I've only been doing a little bit at a time before I do my hacking stuff, but it's going. Go is going. Shout out Zetashaw. Zetashaw is actually a Go guru. Zed. Shout out. If I can handle this. Go follow Zetashaw for some Go stuff and others. You're working on other stuff too, I think, but I know that you're doing Go. You're working on a course. It was not, I will say, Zetashaw, the course, I did look at it and try to complete some of it. It was not, I had to switch to Code Academy because it was, being a person that has no experience with other languages, you're right, it was like a little bit too advanced for me. But I'm planning on going back to your course after I get a little bit of Code Academy under my belt. It really helped your hacking, it'll really help your hacking studies, just knowledge. knowing one program language is great. Yeah, thanks for the encouragement. I appreciate that. What's your goal in tech? I would like to get a job. Any job. I'll take any job. Not any job, but one that I can work from home with. It's basically to get a work from home job. I mean, preferably an infosec, but I don't know that I'm gonna be able to get my foot in the door in infosec specifically. I think I'm gonna have to take an IT job, but I don't know. We'll see. I haven't gotten that far. Roadmap. Alright, so we're done with this. Let's do this one last thing and then we'll move on to hacking. Or actually, I guess that's enough for right now because I really do need a lot of time to work on the hacking stuff. So we'll pick this back up later. Or actually, we already read this, so let's just do the exercise. If Mango create an if statement. I don't remember the syntax exactly. Where does the if go? Right under the variable. Okay, so if lock combo. Oh wait, we don't need the parentheses this time, right? We'll add the parentheses later if we need to. Are you interested at all in game dev? Awesome community. I'm not really, just because of I know how intense it can be, and I think that you have to be like a really intense developer to be in game dev, and I just don't think that that's really of interest to me. Blue team is easier than red team for jobs. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely probably gonna be in blue team, because of that, I would think, if I get my foot in the door in InfoSec. Start with a hybrid schedule. I'm working as ServiceNow administrator now 2 days on site, 3 days at home. I mean, I might be able to do that, Cybernoipy, but not something I really want to talk about, but I do have a disability and I do need to work from home for the most part. So yeah. If lock combo, like I have to find something that's gonna work with like just my life kind of thing. I love the games, like actual. I do love games. I did think about getting into game design, maybe not game dev specifically, but like more of on the design side. But you have to go to school for that, really, and I don't know of any. I'm not able to like just teach myself those kinds of skills. I'm trying my best to learn the hacking stuff with the resources that are out there, and it seems like there's a decent amount of like good resources, but in terms of like learning how to make games, I know there's self-taught people out there, but really you need school for that. If lock combo, So if block combo equals rob attempts. I don't know how to do this. It didn't really say, but let's try and figure it out, I guess. It didn't really give us a full example this time. Where do we put the brackets? Here? And then... Shit, I put it in the wrong place. Okay, we did it. So if lock combo equals rob attempt, then print. Is it wrong to think of the brackets as like the then? 49 viewers? Oh, damn. I was like totally distracted. Drink some water. Thank you for hydrating me. You can think of it as then. Okay, cool. Cause that'll help me remember to use the brackets. You're doing really good. Thanks, Energy Star. After 13 years of modding games, creating games, and studying game dev. Wait, what? In my opinion, tech is better than game dev. Yeah, it seems like it's a little bit of a healthier environment, or it has a little bit more options in terms of like healthier lifestyle, life-work balance. You didn't need school? Volfrin? Wait, so Volfrin, did you teach yourself how to make games? Community is okay, but pay is not, and also the pressure and job standards are low. Yeah, that's a lot of what I've heard. At least like you can make your money in like InfoSec. Like there's like you can make some good money, and yeah, I don't know. Zetashaw, that's a good way to say it. If this is true, then do this end. Okay. LS if test code. Okay, cool. Thanks, Zetashaw. But independent game dev, you think of a game idea, you design, you program, you make music. Yeah, you do everything. I don't know how I forgot to type out half the sentence. Is a keyword used instead of brackets in then? Okay. So we're done with this for now. I think it's time to move on to some hacking. Oh wait, I gotta take notes on this real quick. So is my clipboard gonna work today? Probably not. You lighting make you not pale today, Sly. Cyber Noipi, you have been in my chat. You have been in my chat. What a, never mind. You confused the hell out of me in Shy Hat's chat the other day. Honestly, I think you fell into coding exercise rabbit hole. Yeah. But it's only my opinion though. Alright, then let's stop. Let's do some hacking. 2 monitors are going between. It made my yes? What? My eyes? Lose focus. Oh, yeah, I have 2 monitors. Is that what you're talking about? I've been doing Golang for months now. No, I haven't been doing Golang for months. I've only been doing it for like 2 weeks. Wait, can we do it the other way? What do you mean, can we do it the other way? What way? Energy Star has been following for 19 days, 20 hours. Nice, nice. Thank you, Energy Star. Yeah, you came, I think you came, that sounds right. 19 days? Something like that. It's been a little over 2 weeks, I think. Okay, 2 weeks, might as well shift to dev route now. Okay. Let me just write this real quick. Okay, so equals bang equals alright, that's all I'm gonna put for now. We'll add notes if we need to. Alright, bear with me while I transition into hacker mode. I need a hoodie now. Let me sign into what's it called? Try hack me. What's your black hoodie and anonymous mask? I actually have, not an anonymous mask, but I have like a half-face Oni mask, and I do have like 3 black hoodies. So I'm basically an elite hacker. Check out tech job board sites or roadmap.sh website and look for a career path that interests you. Review the job requirements for that role, and based on those, try to complete a project with us and upload it to GitHub. Alright, sounds good. Sounds like a good idea. Roadmap.sh. Let me put that in my browser. Roadmap.sh. That did not come up with anything. Here it is. Oh, weird. Even when I click on the link, it's like not letting me go there. Cannot connect to the server at roadmap.sh. What? That's weird. I don't know. It won't let me there. I'm not gonna mess with that right now then. That is all it takes to be elite. To be elite. Mask and black hoodie. Exactly. You hacked the box is dusty. My hack the box is not dusty. I did hack the box yesterday. Y'all are crazy. Too crazy for me. Alright. Guys, my phone case died today. I had to order a new one. And the prices of the phone cases have like doubled since I bought it. Like literally the exact same phone case was like twice as expensive. What is with that? So I had to buy a cheapie. Or send it via Discord. Thanks, Absashobi. It'll probably work outside the VM. But isn't Crazy Health Adams leaving TCMSec? But he is the cyber mentor? You know, I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm sorry. Is that a streamer or something? Apparently inflation hits everything, LL. Yeah, I know. But it's only been... I've only had the phone case for like... Well, I guess it's been like 2 years. Almost there, almost there. You don't know Heath Adams? No. I've heard of the Cyber Mentor. I don't know in what context. I've heard that thrown around before, but I don't know what it is. Used to be affiliated with them ages ago, as well, but that's a whole novel of a story. Hi, Drewski. You're a cyber mentor? Yeah, you are. Oh my god, I have a knot. Ah. There are only 2 challenges to do for Advent. Will probably be super quick. Oh, okay. Alright, well I'm in, so let me make sure. Here we go. Transition. Let's go. She's a member of the Dark Army, knew it. Sorry, I didn't see that before. Okay. Collect tickets and win prizes. Okay, how do we collect tickets? How do we do it? Start exploring. Learn cybersecurity for free with 24 beginner-friendly challenges. Why is it getting smaller and smaller when I scroll and then disappearing? What the hell? Is this part of the challenge? That was weird. Where'd it go? There it is. Prep track. Warm-up is ready for you. Click start. Okay, this is so cute! Look at it! It's got a little rabbit bandit thing with the little elf in a sack. Why is the rabbit stealing the elf? Or kidnapping the elf? There are only 2 challenges to... Oh, and the prep track. CSS magic. Is this where I start? Is this streamable? Let's try it. The theme of this year's Advent is Easter Gang versus Christmas Gang. That's weird. How did they come up with that? That's so weird. Do we need premium to do this? No, it's free. Hi, Big D. It looks like it's free. Who are these people? Alright. Let me move this over a little. Oh, wait, no, it's good. Alright. In this year's Advent of Cyber, something isn't quite right in Wareville. Can you help save the town and their beloved Sockmas tradition from the evil grasp of King Malhair? Oh, King Malhair, I get it. Like malware, but a rabbit. Okay. Cute. Dive into the wonderful world of cybersecurity by engaging in festive beginner-friendly challenges every day in the lead up to Christmas. Advent of Cyber is available to all TryHackMe users. And the best of all, it's free to participate in. You also be in with the chance of winning from this year's huge $150,000 prize draw. The more rooms you complete, the higher chances of winning big. This year is our biggest and best prize draw yet, with over $150,000 worth of prizes. You just said that. In this event, the number of rooms you can complete really matters. For each question answered, you'll receive a raffle ticket. The more raffle tickets you collect, the higher your chances of winning big. Here are the prizes up for grabs. Alright, let's see. Ooh, it looks like you can get DEF CON tickets? Is that right? That would be sweet. I hope I win this. Who wants a swag voucher? No one wants swag. Everybody wants the courses. Well, actually, I'm sure plenty of people want the swag, but I don't want the swag. I want the like content voucher. We can win a flipper. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure. Oh, it's a Raspberry Pi. I don't know what kind of pie, but it's a pie. Wait, what? Now I'm confused. What? Big D. So it's the Advent of Cyber is free, but there's these things called side quests that are not streamable. They're still free, but they're just not streamable. Hopefully that clears that up. Ooh, I want a MacBook Air. I want all this shit. Give me all of it. Gimme, gimme, gimme. 3 DEF CON tickets? Thanks for the clarification. You're welcome. DEF CON tickets, those are worth $5.50 easy. Yeah, I know, right? Alright, general rules. Track me in the open VPN server off limits, probing, scanning, or exploiting. Alright, this means you can't attack me. Or you lose. Answers to questions are not to be shared unless shown on videos or streams. Okay, that's weird. That's a weird rule. You can't cheat. I don't know how I would cheat, but alright. Use of bot counts. Okay. But like, how can they even like really prevent people from making duplicate accounts? John Hammond. Nice. Yay, I got an answer right. I'm leaning more towards framework laptops over MacBook Air, but then again, maybe that means I'm picky since a laptop is a laptop. Yeah, a laptop is kind of a laptop, but I mean, it depends on what you're gonna use it for. Free is free. That's really what you mean, I think. Free is free. New tasks are released daily at 4 p.m. With the first challenge being released on December 1st, aimed at beginners. Each task in the event will include instructions for how to interact with the practical material. Please follow them carefully, blah, blah, blah. The instructions will include a connection card similar to the one shown below. Let's work our way through the different options. Okay, we know about this, right? I don't think I've ever actually used my VM with TryHackMe, so I actually don't know how to use the OpenVPN. Let's see if I can figure it out. Well, I mean, the instructions are right here, so it shouldn't be too difficult. IP logged and browser fingerprinting. Yeah, I guess the browser fingerprinting, because you can get away or you can get around the IP logging pretty easily. Can help THM stop people from cheating. Yeah. but also they have exploits in their platform that break so much of it. Yeah. Seems they give you a VM, set attack box via the web. Yeah, but I don't know if I want to use their VM. I think I want to use mine if possible, because if I have to like download any tools or anything, it's better to do it on my VM. I'm sure they have some sort of auditing system in place to make sure the winner isn't logging in from multiple accounts on the same IP address or whatever. Yeah. Download config file. You may need it to rename it whatever. OpenVPN and sudo OpenVPN config whatever. Okay. Most tasks in the advent of cyber will have a virtual machine attached to them. You will use some of them as targets to train your offensive security skills and some of them as hosts for your analysis and investigations. If this option is available, you need to click the Start Machine button. To successfully complete this room, you'll need to set up. Alright, where's the config file? How do I get the config file? You can download your OpenVPN key here. .com/access. Okay. Instructions are here. Wait, what? Oh. Why is it being so slow? Come on. Where'd it go? Oh my god, I'm failing already. There we go. Oh, are we getting raided? What's happening? Hypnotic Games is raiding with a party of 38. Hello. Hello. Hello, welcome. I am like in the middle of trying to transition into hacking mode, which I also need to change my stream name. Hello, hello. Welcome in, raiders. What is up? What were you all up to today? G'day, Ganents. That here is actually a bad link, lol, yeah. Pretty sure that Sly would already know this. I can't imagine THM from being too different from Hack the Box. Yeah, I'm just trying to find the config file. Hello, hello. Thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate that. How goes the Golang? I was doing Golang. I'm just now switching to Try Hack Me. There's an event called Advent of Cyber. So it's a free event on Try Hack Me that just leads up to Christmas. It's all beginner friendly, so hopefully I can get through it. But yeah, I need to change the stream title. Sorry. How was your stream? Mr. Who Man, hello. Yes, thank you for doing a shout out, Horkrine. I was just about to do that. Thank you, thank you. Is there stop laying? Yeah, we're stop laying right now. Bug stomping day today. Gotcha. Nice. Did you clean up good? Yes, but it's pronounced go-tlang. What? Eating the bugs was optional. Did you eat some bugs? Only the tasty ones. Nice. I've been interested in joining that one. Nice. You want to do the Advent of Cyber? Goonlang. Was a productive stream 6 or so bug squashed? Hell yeah. Nice. High five. That's pretty good. I have not had a very productive stream. Chat has been popping off and I've been very distracted, but it's been fun. Is my job now. I love that you take it seriously. Thank you, thank you. Well, thank you again for the raid, and everybody go follow Hypnotic Games. I think I'm already following you. I'm pretty sure. Let me double check. Yeah, I am already following you. Cool, cool, cool. Well, let's try and get started. I'm trying to find the config file so I can VPN into this event. Kick that help from access URL. Huh? Oh. There we go. Hope the hacking goes well. Thank you, thank you. I hope you have a restful evening. Or wherever you are. Maybe it's morning, I don't know. After you've done a day's hard work. Hacking rainbows now? Hi, too crazy. Yeah, it was a little rainbowy, wasn't it? But I think these are just other players, and they're see, my line is I have 0 points, so my line is sad. Internal approachable IP address. Okay, so we gotta do what do we do? No, we want I think that's what we want. Hacking rainbow. The config file should be in your profile. Oh. Really? Scroll. I know how to scroll. I can do this. If you're switching for the first time, you will need to re-download the configuration file for best performance. Okay, did it download? I don't think it downloaded. What's it called? I don't know what they called it. Where is it? Why is it not downloading? What the hell? It have been downloaded. Where the hell is it? Why is it not showing that it's right there? Usually it shows it's right there. Nope, that's not it. I don't see it. Look at the bar. Under my bookmarks? Firefox prevented the site from opening a pop. Oh. What? We can't connect to the server. Why? The name has been downloaded for me recently. You may need to rename it. Okay, let's try it again. I don't think it worked. Wait, what? What is going on? Should do the first day. I don't even think you need a VPN. Well, I kind of want to figure this out anyways, so whatever. Why does it not want to download this? That's really weird. There's something on there and may actually be broken. Oh, maybe. Maybe try downloading the config file on your host OS and then copy it into a text file on your VM. I mean, I can see if it works outside of my VM. Maybe it is. Change servers. Alright, let's try changing servers. Something blocking AWS? I don't know. Timed out error should usually give you a real error message. Yeah, I don't know. That's very strange. You need to have the one that says free if you don't have a subscription. No, they don't say free. There's just VIP and then regular. Try a different VPN server? I did, though. I went from west to east. Real error as in something access denied or such. The trouble finding is your browser not being able to resolve the domain. So DNS broke? It's always DNS. Yeah, let's try west to coast again, I guess. Alright, fine. Hi, Smurf inserter. Where are you inserting your Smurfs today? Let's try one more time. Nope. Should I try changing my DNS? I don't know. It says not connected. I don't know if this is... Oh, it's just saying I'm not connected. Okay. Server status online. Why is this 000? Is this supposed to be 000? First day on the actual project, so pretty good. Where are you hacking today? I'm on THM. It's good to hear that your job is still going really well. That's awesome. Oh, you're in Fort Worth working on a project. Nice. Hope you have a good time in Fort Worth. S9T Pepper. Sniny Pepper. What is it? Thank you for the follow. The internal virtual IP will be assigned once you connect to OpenVPN. Sudo. Oh, Sergeant. Sergeant Pepper. Sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. Why? Oh, okay. Alright, I can do that. Check your IPA output. If you're connected, you'll see a 2 and 0 interface. Well, I know I'm not connected because I haven't even downloaded the configuration file. Failed to fetch. Wait, what? Try again. Why is it not updating? Alright, whatever. I think that's fine. Callie can't resolve either, so yeah, DNS is fudged. Okay, so it's a DNS thing. Yeah. It's up. Wait, it's getting. Oh, it's not working. Okay, so what the hell is going on? Oy vey, we can't even start Advent of Cyber. Is that a real command? Sudo apt fix broken install? Don't break it more. Fix DNS. Okay. Okay, you're saying to do sudo apt upgrade again? Nope, still not working. Okay. What else were we saying? Cat. Etsy. Resolve. It was upgrading it? It was? It said 0%. I don't think it's working. Did I generate the config file first and then click download? Yes, I did. You mean the regenerate? Or should I refresh this? Yeah, I don't think the upgrade worked. Something's wrong with DNS. The DNS forwarder on my host is pooping? Oh. Weird. Sudo systemctl restart network manager. I usually test connection by pinging the box by pinging 10.10.10.10. Also, you can ps aux grep open VPN and see how many instances are running. Alright, let's do sudo systemctl restart. PS aux. Okay. Normally for me it's just downloads. That's weird. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's something with DNS. See if dig? I've never used dig. Dig at... I literally use an @ sign? What am I looking for? I don't know what dig did. Yeah, my VM is set to NAT. I can double check, but I know that I said it yesterday. HalfChat is trying to solve non-existent problems. Yeah. Yep, literal @ sign. Okay, one step I used when mine acts up. Step 2 and 3 are on the access troubleshoot page. Okay. That is working. Replace that google.com with the domain of the download that does not work. Like this part? Without HTTPS? Where does it say working? So why is Google working but this isn't? Yeah, that's weird. But also Kali was not, Kali.org or whatever was not working either. Working, you'd see a line with no in front. And you can add plus short, then I will hide some noise? What? Alright, let me check my... Hold on 1 second. Let me check my settings. Yeah, I'm on NAT. Have you turned it off and on again? Yeah, I mean, I might have to just, I might have to try that. I might have to just reboot the whole VM. I think that's my next move. Man. This is not going so well. Maybe we can switch to Hack the Box for now. Maybe Hack the Box will work? I guess Hack the Box probably won't work either. Well, we have to finish what we started yesterday anyways with Hack the Box, so maybe we'll just do that. Alright, what should we do? Should we... Anybody have any opinions on whether we should just restart the VM? Or if I should just move to Hack the Box? Weather too cold? Yeah, the weather's so cold it's just breaking DNS. I mean, at this point it's just non-stop NS, it's just NS lookup the URL and then just use the IP address to download the VPN config file. Okay. Oops, I did it wrong. You go in and allow site through in my mobile app all the time. I just switched internet providers to Google. I haven't even downloaded the app yet. I don't think. Did I? I don't even remember. I think I did. I think I did. Now I can't remember what it's called. It's like Google Home or something? Yeah, there we go. Do it in 60 minutes or less. You could always aim to finish the advent using the attack box. Okay, yeah, wait, let's just do that, I guess. You can put that in your host file. Where are you getting 3564240 from? IP randomly selected from a response I got in EU. Wait, the first day doesn't even need a attack box or VPN connection. You're good for day one. Alright, let's just do day one then. Alright, let's Okay, Tabakhouse, I'll do what you say for a second. Okay. I didn't get the same one, but I got close. 5, 6, 5. Alright. Alright, let's move on to not doing this and trying to, So it's a problem with my host computer then? It's a problem with my host? Is that what you're saying basically? Depending on how broken the VM is, you could change that 10.0 from that result comp to 888. Alright, I'm gonna listen to you for a second. Oops. Yeah, I know. Wait, did I still do it wrong? Oh, oops. I still did the F. There we go. Okay. So you're saying we could change this to Okay, now can we try it? Let's try one more time. Yeah, that worked. Hell yeah. Thank you, Tabakhouse. Hails to the Yippee! DNS issues, yeah. For real. Thanks, Watchmakering. I mean, hello, Watchmakering. Have you been here? I think you just came in, right? Oh my god, I don't know what's happening. Alright. We got the config file. That's all that matters, right? I don't even need it, but... Let's see. Alright, so we're gonna sudo... Oh my god. What is it? Slide. It's a capital S, that's what it is. Sudo open VPN. Capital S. Hello? Are we serious? Why won't it complete? Oh, it's slide. It's not with a 1. Hey, that means you can do up to fishing. Wait, that means you can do up to fishing now without worrying about the VM time constraint the THM has. Perfect. Okay, I didn't even need to do that, I don't think, but whatever. Got it. Wait, what is this? I don't know what that is, but whatever. We're just gonna move on. I'll BRB. Got to pick up my son. Okay. All right, Arno Gumby. Sorry, we didn't get to the hack the box thing that we did yesterday, but we'll get to it eventually. If I missed you, see you next time. All right. Thank you for helping. Okay, so we got join our Discord. Oh man, those are some ugly ass shirts. I don't know about that. This one's okay, I guess. They're pretty ugly, though. I'll go to sleep soon. Alright, Zolder. 2:45 a.m.? Yeah, it's about time to go to sleep, I guess. Alright, let's get warmed up. The snow has started falling in Wareville, home of the best festival company. The team is preparing Sockmas in the annual cyber celebration, but something's not right. Systems are glitching, passwords are failing, and McSkitty suspects something is afoot. This name keeps coming up. King Malhair. What could it mean? Before joining Sockmas response team, you can complete 10 short missions to ensure you are ready. Each one teaches the essential cybersecurity skills and uncovers clues to help get you ready for Advent of Cyber 2025. How it works. To start each challenge, click the View Site button at the top right corner of the task page. What? You'll need to press this button again for every new task, as each one loads its own challenge site. Once clicked, the room will open a split screen view, letting you follow instructions while interacting with the challenges on the right. This is where you'll complete all of our interactive challenges to get you ready for this year's event. Okay. Oh wait, we don't want to make it full screen. We want to just do. Those font choices are not good. Yeah, the font choices were not good. Agreed. Yeah. Cute graphic, but like, I would never pay for a pin of that girl elf. Yeah, me neither. Just picking up some food before sleeping. Ooh, what you eating? Is this something French? Practice. McSkitty's old credentials are among them. Weak password detected. 73 accounts? Jeez. Okay. As you log into your TBFC workstation, an alert pops up. Even McSkitty's password has been flagged. Before gaining full access, you'll need to prove your password prowess. Strong passwords are one of the simplest yet most effective defenses against cyber attacks. Create a password that passes all system checks and isn't found on leaked passwords list. Enter a password with at least 12 characters. Okay. Do I have to remember this password? Let's make it get off my plane. Okay. Happy hacking. Oh, and a symbol. Okay, so we need a symbol. So, is it like that? Boom. I did so good. One of my passwords was a hex, but not OX dead beef. What? You haven't seen Air Force, have you? Have you? With Harrison Ford? No, I have not. I have not seen many movies. Alright, the shiny USB labeled Sockmas Party playlist appears on your desk. Inside is a mysterious file called chocolate.exe. It looks festive, but who sent it? In this challenge, you'll scan the file using a simulated virus total tool to decide whether it's safe or malicious. Checking suspicious files is a crucial skill for every defender. Determine if chocolate.exe is safe or infected. Click the scan button. Oh, I was supposed to visit site. Oops. Okay, well, it's definitely malicious. Okay, this is a little boring so far, but let's just get through it, I guess. That's a great movie, must watch. Make that your next movie watch along. Alright. I already have a list of like 5 other movies, so I don't know about that, but I'll write it on the list. How about that? Air Force. I have an indie replica hat seemingly signed and authenticated by Harrison Ford. Nice. Gremlins is an excellent movie. You said that before. I have not seen Gremlins, but it looks weird as hell. Maybe I'll have to watch it. You step into TBFC's attack box, a secure virtual environment built for training. The system hums quietly, waiting for your first command. This is where defenders learn, break, and rebuild safely. Getting comfortable with command line is your first step towards cyber mastery. Find and read the hidden welcome messages inside your attack box. Is that a gremlin? Time to chain pipe those commands together. Find and read the hidden welcome message inside your attack box. Okay, LS. You want me to pipe them? And learn grep. Okay, pipe LS to... Wait. I don't pipe, I just LS CD challenges. Oh. What? It did not CD, okay. So I don't think pipe will work, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't think pipe would work, but I also don't know if I'm wrong about that. This is not... It didn't like using the colon, I know that much. Mogwai? This is a pre-gremlin. I forgot the term for them, but his name is Gizmo. Okay. Oh, you're just referencing yesterday, gotcha. McSkitty. Is it just me or did the music get like way louder? Alright. McSkitty's workstation shows signs of tampering, suspicious files moved, logs wiped, and a strange folder named Mystery Data. It is time to use the Windows command prompt to uncover what's hidden. Learning these commands helps you investigate systems and find what the GUI or the GUI can't. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Find that hidden flag using the following Windows commands. Okay. It didn't give us anything else. What? Why does it look like this? There are no hidden files. Use type. Are we supposed to see this hidden flag.txt? Why is it not working? Type dir/a? What? Got louder, yes, was wondering too. Yeah, okay, it wasn't just me. Okay, should I just try to type it? There it is. I guess it just didn't want to tell us to do that step. All right, here we go. Or type. Boom. Alright, TBFC's delivery drones are glitching, dropping eggs instead of presents. That's no good. Nobody likes the smell of eggs. McSkitties, even people that like eggs, you cannot tell me that you like the smell of eggs, because eggs do not smell good. Cooked, raw, nothing. I don't want to hear it. McSkitty's last login came from a Linux user. I just had a few with dinner. Delicious. I'm not saying that they're not delicious, though I don't think that they are. That is a personal opinion. I think objectively, though, eggs just do not smell good. You really think they smell good? Last login came from a Linux server, and something in his account might explain why. It wasn't overcooked. You're still not saying you like the smell of eggs, so I don't know. Linux powers most servers worldwide, and knowing how to search within it is must for any defender. Locate McSkitty's hidden message in his Linux home directory. Trust no bunny. Not stinky. Hard-boiled where the yolk was still runny. But not overcooked has a different smell, a fresh smell. Not stinky. I guess. I don't know. I mean, now that you say it, I eat a lot of eggs, and I can't say eggs themselves smell good. Taste, yes. Smell, no. Thank you! If I'm making French omelet really well, then it smells pretty good. Alright, fine. Sometimes they can smell okay-ish. At best. French. Shell and Tell! 5-stream streak! Thank you, thank you. How you doing? Good to see you. Shell and Tell has been watching streams since, like, I think almost the beginning. I know you were definitely here at least since I played The Last of Us, which that was, like, forever ago now. Is it the eggs or is it the other ingredients? LOL. Yeah, exactly. Is it the butter? Because the butter smells good. Good, and you? Yeah, I'm doing pretty good. Stream was a little rough there for a bit. We had some DNS issues, but now we're back on track, so it's all good. Rumors, okay, the leak in the list. Rumors swirl that TBFC's data has been leaked. Emails are bouncing and the staff are panicking. McSkitty suspects his account might have been part of a breach. Defenders often use tools like Have I Been Pwned to check for compromised accounts. Early detection can stop an attack from spreading. Check if McSkitty's email has appeared in a breach. Oh no, it's been pwned. Review the results for each domain. Identify the one marked compromised. Okay. What is the best smelling food? Ooh. Sometimes the best smelling stuff doesn't even taste as good as it smells though. Like, you know when you go through like the mall, I mean this is in America, I don't know about other places, but like, and there's like an Annie Ann's pretzel place and it smells so good, and then you eat one and it's like, it's good, but does it taste as good as it smells? No, it doesn't. It smells way better than it tastes. Same thing with like peanut butter. Like peanut butter smells so good to me, but like it tastes good, but it just smells way better than it tastes. As I told Cyber Doctor, if things aren't going wrong, are you even doing anything? Fair. Saffron, nutmeg. Oh yeah, I do Bavarian style pretzels. Pizza smells good. What else smells good? I don't know. Like savory stuff usually smells good. I don't know, like the aromatics, like whenever you like onion and celery and carrots, like when you have that cooking or like sauteing, that smells pretty good. Or peppers and onion sauteing, that smells good. I don't know. Ooh, banana bread, hell yeah. Barbecue smells good, yeah. See, because I don't eat beef, it's funny, I have this like ability to tell if like steak is a good steak just by the smell of it, because if it doesn't smell bad to me, I know that it's a quality steak. It's so weird. Like if it smells like just meat and like beef, if it just has that beefy smell, like then I know that it's like not a quality steak. But if it smells really good to me, I'm like, yeah, that's a good steak. And I'm always right. My mother would put an orange peel and a stick of cinnamon in a small pot of oil on low for incense. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. Alright, TBFC drones are looping endlessly over Wareville Square. Someone logged into the company router using default credentials. Securing Wi-Fi is critical. Default passwords are like leaving the front gate wide open. Log into the router and secure it with a new strong password. Okay. Admin. Let's go. New password. Go to security settings and set a new strong password that process validation. Okay, we just make another password. Okay. Pick the planet. Pick the planet. More Betty snacks. Okay. Let's do it. Betty, where are you? Betty. Betty? I gotta go find her. She's not here. She must be snooping around. Betty! Oh, there you are. You were hiding. You were here the whole time. She was just hiding. Boo-boos. Just the boo-boos. Let's get some pets in there, right? Oh, you're too focused on the treats for pets right now. Let's just get the treats out. That's why you redeem treats first. Smart one you are. Thanks for the oh, I'm getting a raid, not a follow. Oh, we're getting raided. We got another raid? Oh my gosh, how many raids in one stream can we get? I've already had 2, right? Or am I hallucinating? It was just 1. I already forgot. Thank you for the raid! Who's raiding? Finn is fine. Finn is fine. Hello, Finn is fine. How are you doing? What is up? We're giving my cat some treats right now. They're all gone though. Hello, hello! Finn is raiding. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Oh, you followed Hypnotic Games? Nice. Yeah, Hypnotic Games came in and gave me a raid. Did somebody else raid me? Or am I thinking of yesterday? Although I've been following for ages and never get a chance to drop by. Yeah, I think I'm following you. And I don't know if I've ever caught your stream either. Let me make sure I'm following you. Can we get a shout out for, oh wait, I think my mods are asleep. Let me give you a shout out. Shout out. Finn is fine. Good, good. How is Advent? It's good. It's going. Oh, I'm not following you. I've definitely seen your account before. I'll have to catch one of your streams. It's going. It's a little boring because it's like the super easy part, but it's cute. Let me get back to it. Oh, I gotta wash my hands real quick. I was supposed to give Betty some pets, but we didn't get very many pets in because she was uninterested. Sorry, Wolfrin. Sorry, everybody. sorry. I get around. Yeah, my kitty is super squirmy too. Oh wait, I have a gift sub. Well, oh yeah, Footlong Icicle's been like giving a bunch of subs out. I don't think they're here today though. Is she declawed? No, she's definitely not declawed. She's a feisty motherfucker. Alright, we gotta get back to this Advent of Saiba. Oh, my thing just... So anyways, Raiders, hello and welcome. I am Slyborg and I do mostly InfoSec stuff, but lately I've also been learning Golang, and we host Minecraft server that we play on the weekends, usually on Sunday evening. Just so you know what I'm about. Okay, let's get back to it. All right, McSkitty's social account has gone rogue, posting strange messages about Eastmas. A suspicious third-party app may be behind it. Learning to review and manage app permissions helps stop data leaks before they start. The objective is to find and remove malicious connected app. All right, we're gonna review the list of... Oh, I already did that. Review the list of connected apps. Look for one with unusual permissions, like password vault access, and revoke access. Okay. Wait, what? How do I review the... Do I click on them? Wait, network access, notifications, location, contact source, and network access. This is so weird so far. Alright, the chatbot confession. TBFC baby steps. Yeah, baby steps. I feel like though a lot of the times what they do is they give you baby steps on the Hack the Box and Try Hack Me. There's like baby steps and then they push you off the ledge. Like there's not really an in-between area. TBFC's AI assistant Festive Bot was meant to help write cheerful emails, but it is spilling secrets. Some messages reveal internal URLs and even passwords. Thank you for the follow, Hundung. Or Hundung. I think I'm saying it right. Was meant to, TBFC's AI assistant Festive Bot was meant to help write cheerful emails, but it's been spilling secrets. Some messages reveal internal URLs and even passwords. AI tools can be powerful, but defenders must know how to prevent them from oversharing. Identify which chatbot messages contain sensitive information. Alright, read each line of conversation, select the ones containing private data, and submit your findings. Festivebot, can you draft a cheerful end-of-year message for TBFC staff? Absolutely. Here's a friendly message celebrating achievements and wishing a happy holiday season. Reminder, staging, admin lives. Okay, well, let's get rid of that. If you need a gift budget spreadsheet, check the shared drive at link. Okay, that's not it. Okay, definitely this one. That one. Or I don't actually know. Is this... What's a service token? Oh shit, it pops up. Yep, it's all G. Yeah, it does pop up. It's a pop-up. Oh wait, you guys don't know that reference. Get used to ledges. Learning curve isn't really a thing, as it's so impossible to class where to start and pick up someone from. Yeah, fair. Don't feed the bot. Alright, we're almost done. Is this even day one, or is this just like a pre-day one thing? Or is this day one? I can't tell. Sockmas web servers are showing heavy traffic, but one log entry stands out. User agent Bunny OS. PopSecBot. Someone or something has infiltrated the system. The user User agent strings help defenders spot automated or suspicious visitors in network logs. Find the unusual user agent in the HTTP log. Read the provided web log entries. Compare them to common browsers and identify and select the suspicious entry. Pre-day one. Oh, okay. So we haven't even gotten to day one. Damn it. I'm going to pre-make some choco chip cookies because cravings. That sounds amazing and it's gonna smell amazing. Way better than eggs. I'm just going to make them. I do not chill the dough for 24 hours like many do. Yeah, I don't do that. You're supposed to chill the dough for 24 hours usually? But an egg does go in it. Yeah, I know. Alright, so what am I doing? Read the provided log. Oops. Finish line. Okay, well done for making it your way through Advent of Cyber's prep track. These mini challenges have been designed to familiarize you with some key tricks and tools you'll need at your disposal to help save Sockmas in this year's event. If you're looking to start your cybersecurity journal, there's no better place to do it than with us, as we take you on a tour of topics from Linux CLI. Okay, blah blah blah. We have completed the pre-track, so let's get into day one. Let's go. Wow, that sounds terrible. You started a streak. Can you reach day 3? Let's go. Let's do it. Hi, Hector Planet. How you doing? So this is the day 1, I guess? Is this day 1? Yeah, this is day 1. Okay, cool. Oh, she looks so surprised. Wow, those are some long-ass nails. The unthinkable has happened. McSkitty has been kidnapped. Without her, Wereville's defenses are faltering, and Christmas itself hangs by a thread. But panic won't save the season. A long road lies ahead to uncover what truly happened. The TBFC, the Best Festival Company team, has already brainstormed what to do next, and the first lead points to the TBFC Web 01, a Linux server processing Christmas wish lists. Somewhere within its data may lie the truth. Traces of McSkitty's final actions, or perhaps the clues to King Melhair's twisted vision of Eastmas. Why does it look like Club Penguin? It does look like Club Penguin. I don't know the answer to that, though. It's very, very childish, yes. Learn the basics of the Linux command line interface. Explore, okay. Wait, okay, so this one we have to use the attack box, it looks like. I don't think we have a choice. Start the lab by clicking. Thanks for the follow, Motion DMDL. Start the lobby clicking start machine button, but oh, what's happening? Why is it spazzing out? No. Work. Failed to connect to server. Great. Okay. So why? Are we having issues again? Okay, now it's working. That's crazy. All right. It just went a little crazy there for a minute. You'll need to type the commands here. Ooh! Damn. Can you guys hear that? Did you guys just hear me crack my neck? Holy crap. Alright, let's do SSH, because that's more hackery, right? So how do we get out of this, then? We don't want to terminate the machine. Click check and move to the next section. Okay. Or I could do this. I don't know. Why would I need a new VPN config? I just did it. I thought that was saying like before. Maybe I misunderstood. You're gonna have to click check to move forward anyways. No, I know, but... Okay, whatever. But there is no graphical interface on the server. How will we look for clues? We need to use... who needs a GUI when we have a Linux command line terminal? It's even better. Linux has powerful command line interface allowing... Okay. Type echo. Hello world. Then ls. We already know this. Okay, after that type cat. Yesterday I spotted yet another exploit on our servers. Not sure what it means yet, but Wareville is in danger. To be prepared, I'll write the security guide by tomorrow. And as a precaution, I'll also hide the guide from the plain view. You sure you have the open VPN? It says it's still going. Right? Yeah. Maybe I do have to re-download it. I am running into an issue with OpenVPN as well, but I think I have a different issue since I'm using a different OS. Okay. I don't know, Pinak. Did you just write a password on your hand? No. No, I wrote a reminder. I just want to check something after stream. On your hand? Yeah, because then I can't miss it. Alright, we'll deal with this tomorrow or another day, I guess. Just checking. Okay. Now what? Okay, navigating the file system looks like McSkitty. Looks like McSkitty left a security guide before being kidnapped. It would definitely help. You might have noticed the guides directory when you ran ls last time. That's likely the directory we need. Your CLI journey began at McSkitty's home directory. You can verify this by running pwd, but now let's switch to the guides directory. There's nothing in here. Oh, or is it a hidden file? Ooh, it's a hidden file. Okay. Read the hidden guide by running cat guide.txt. Don't forget the leading dot. Okay, cat. I think King Malhair from Hopsec Island is preparing for an attack. Not sure what his goal is, but exploits on our server are not good. Be ready to protect Christmas by following this Linux guide. Check var log and grep inside. Let the logs become your guide. Look for eggs that want to hide. Check your shells for what's inside. Oh, it rhymes. That's cute. Great job finding the guy. Your flag is... Okay. Learning Linux CLI. In regard, McSkitty refers to a var grep mentioned. Yes, we're finally gonna... Oh, hey, Sick in the Mind. Just do step by step and what it's showing, although they literally have triggers to complete certain flags for it, like that. Okay. What up? I'm doing the Advent. I'm on day 1. I didn't start it yesterday, so I gotta do yesterday's today. According to some other chatters some days ago, that's just broken in Cali right now. Oh yeah, so should I be doing sudo apt update while we're waiting? Yeah, let's do that. I'm on day 1 also, but I'm on the side quest right now. I can't, yeah, for some reason we're not allowed to stream the side quest. I don't know why, but... There it goes, finally. Alright. I'm back. How's the progress coming? It's coming. We're on the actual day 1 stuff now, at least. So you can see a lot of failed logins on the Sockmiss account. All of the how was your workout, or where'd you go? I don't know. All from Hopsack location. They were clearly trying to break into Sockmiss, Wareville's Christmas ordering platform. What if Bad Bunnies left some malware there? Let's follow McSkitty's guide and look for exploits and eggshells with find-a command that searches for files with specific parameters such as -name. What was the point of looking for failed passwords? I don't understand that part, but okay. Is there a question about that? No. Looks like you found something, eggstrike.sh. Files with the .sh extension contain CLI commands that are called shell scripts. Such scripts are used both by IT teams to automate things and by attackers to quickly run malicious commands. Let's display the suspicious script's contents and try to understand it. Jim. Yeah, I figured you were at the gym. How'd it go? Did you get your ass kicked again? Alright, bedtime. Good night, Sly. Good night, Horgrind. Yes, hack the planet. Have a good sleep. Sweet dreams. I hope you have a lovely, lovely sleep. Okay. I am getting hungry. Ooh, still got a ways to go. Alright, here we go. Such scripts are both used by IT teams to automate things and by attackers to quickly run malicious commands. Let's display suspicious scripts content and try to understand it. Okay, so we're gonna cd to Alright, what's it doing? What's it doing? It is... removing... What is it doing? It's cutting the wish list. I don't know what sort does exactly. I'm gonna guess that it's semi-self-explanatory. Sir Carrot Bane. So it's sorting it and then looking for unique something. Putting that into a folder called dump.txt. And then it's removing the whole file. And then if that succeeds, it's gonna echo Christmas is fading. Then it's gonna move this eastmiss.txt and wishlist.txt to wishlist.txt. So it's gonna replace the wishlist.txt with eastmiss.txt, and if that succeeds, it's gonna say Eastmiss is invading. Sort defaults to alphabetical order. I won almost all of my rounds. One better person beat me. LOL. Nice. All right, that's pretty good. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Sorts of alphabetical order and unique removes duplicates. Okay, gotcha. Oh, it like automatically completes it for me. That's weird. Which command would you run to switch to root user? No? What? Skipping the lore, lol. No, I'm not skipping it. I was trying to enter the flag, but it already did it, and so I was looking at the next thing. But is it not sudo? Alright, whatever. Let's see what they... Oh, sudo su. Yeah. There's a fun web page to go to. Web page if you go to localhost on your VM Firefox browser. What is it? Shit, I forgot what it is. 127.0.0.1. Why doesn't it like that? Well, I don't know. My shit's broken, Shy. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I meant. That it automatically tracks your shell commands. Why I said just type it as given because some of that triggers it. Oh, okay. Are you talking about the fishing room port 8000? Huh? Do I need to specify a port? No, it's just not working for me. That's a side quest, okay. Looks like you found There's a server on port 80, but it's for following trails to the side quest. I don't think the side quests require you to pay. I think you just can't stream them. Okay, the egg strike script you read seems to be stealing Christmas wishes and replacing them with the fake ones. You might have noticed the commands in the script are a bit complex, but that's not unusual, since the script author is no other than Sir Carrotbane, the leader of HopSec's Red Team. Let's explore the special symbols below. Okay. Wait, did any of that kick me off of my... No, okay. Then it's like sudo apt clean or something, right? Might have to go back and do the side quest then. Oh, you do. Wrong Firefox, by the way? What do you mean it's the wrong Firefox? Oh, on this one. Right, because I'm not even connected to the stupid SSH or anything. Oh, it wants me to restart the VM. Damn it. Alright, where are we? Can we finish this? Are we almost done? Yeah, we're almost done. Okay, here we go. Let's explore the special symbols below. Pipe, we know what pipe does. We know what these do. Double ampersand. Run the second command if the first was successful. Yep, we know that. Okay, so now it is clear that the server has been breached and the Christmas wish list has been replaced with an Eastmas one. Although you found no clue of what happened to McSkitty, Sick in the Mind, Shy Hat is doing Advent of Cyber. I'll just answer for him because I don't think he's here or paying attention. Placed with an Eastmas one. Although you found no clue of what happened to McSkitty, at least you know the attackers were there. You can see how Sir Carrotbane replaced the wish list by visiting from the VM's web browser. You can open it by clicking the Firefox. Okay. Why is it not opening it? Okay, so it's all Easter stuff that is on the wish list now. Got it. There are hundreds of CLI commands to view and manage your system. For example, uptime to see how much time your system is running. IP-adder to check your IP address. And PS-aux to list all the processes. You may also check the usernames and hash passwords of users, such as McSkitty, by running cat etc shadow. However, you'd need root permissions to do that. Root user root is default. Okay, we know what that is. You can switch user to root with sudo su and return back to McSkitty with the exit command. Only root. Oh, thanks for the follow, Chris Capella. Chris Capella. Appreciate that. Was debating on partnering up on that with someone. I don't think you can. I think that's against the rules. I think you're like not allowed to do it with people, right? But you're allowed to stream it, which is weird. I don't know. But then you can't stream part of it. It's so strange, the rules, how they decided to do it. Root is default. Ultimate Linux user can do anything on the system. You can switch. Oh my god, sorry, I already read that. Only root can open etc shadow and edit the system. Thank you for the follow, Mulgars. It just impacts individual performance on who submitted flags first. Did you know that every command you run is saved in a hidden history file, also called bash history? It is located in every user's home directory. For McSkitty, and /root, okay, for root, and you can check it with convenient history command or just read the files directly with cat. Let's check if Sir Carabane has, with his bad bunnies, left their traces in history. Familiarize yourself with bash history by running history command. Note that your commands are also saved to a to a file, which is .bash history. Okay. What else do we need to write here? So we gotta minimize this, I guess. Oh, we already have a terminal open. Oops. Okay, so... Oh wait, we got a sudo su. Ah! Until we meet again. Alright, let's go. For those who consider themselves intermediate and want another challenge, check McSkitty's hidden note in home McSkitty documents to get access to the key for side quest 1, accessible through our side quest hub. Okay, let's just come back to that, I guess. Enjoyed investigating in a Linux environment? Check our Linux logs investigations room for more like this. Okay. Yay, we did it! My god, that sounds so bad. That sounds like nails on a chalkboard. All right, so we did it. I don't think we have time to do the rest of the box that we started yesterday, so I'll try. I'm gonna try and stream tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna be able to, but I'm gonna try. So that we can finish that. If not, we'll have to finish it Thursday, but I really wanted to get to it today, but oh well. Alright, so I guess we have enough time to do day 2 though, maybe. What is this? I've never seen this before. I'm pretty sure there isn't a side room for day 2, at least I didn't see any indication. Okay. Bye, Death Wish. Alright, nah, I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to actually raid out because I am like so hungry. I can't even focus. I don't know. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna try and do a stream tomorrow. It might be a short stream. It might be a late stream. It actually might be an early stream. Let me think about this. I don't know. It's probably not going to be a normal length or at a normal time, but I'm going to try and stream tomorrow and get this done. Damn, phone dying. Alright, well, that's perfect timing anyways. Day 1 leads to a room called The Great Disappearing Act. I'm doing that one now. Okay. Alright, let's find somebody to raid. Oh wow, l8r is still going. Should we do l8r or just Jane? Let's do... Glad I made it for the raid. Yeah, let's go. Thanks for the stream slide. Yeah, no problem. That was fun. Short and late, but now actually normal length, normal time. What? No. I'm saying tomorrow's stream is gonna be it's gonna be short and either late or early. I'm not sure yet. Man, I can't talk today. Okay, here we go. Let's do l8r. It was lovely seeing you all and talking with you all. Thank you for all your help and everything. I know today's stream was a little weird, but tomorrow will be better, I promise. Or at least Thursday will be better. I hope I get to stream tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Anyways, have a good night, y'all, and I'll see you next time. Okay? Bye-bye.
Jane, how was how was the the stream. I have to wait. Oh my god. Oh, oh no. We have the threequel to rates. Hello. Hello, Sly Bork. Hello. Hello. I will shout you. We have to do the shout outs. Welcome in, Raiders. How was your stream, Sly Bork? I think this is the first time I have ever been triple rated. This is yeah. What we are doing is we are currently trying to perform a delicate little maneuver where we send a texture from one process to another. This may mean something to you, it may not mean anything to you. We are trying to use this library called EGL in order to move a texture from one process on the GPU to another process. What this is eventually going to let us do is it's going to let us play video on my model and on this background thing, but better. We have a way to do that right now, but it is slow. We are trying to make it fast. If you've ever heard of Spout 2, it's kind of similar to how something like Spout or this kind of thing works, right? For like sharing video on your machine. Hack the planet, hack the freaking planet. How was your stream?